In this video, I will talk about various ways in which we can unlock liquidity when you need it the most. Are you asset rich but cash poor and find yourself in need of some urgent liquidity? Do you own incredible assets like yachts, private jets, art, classic cars, or even investment grade wine? If so, you're not alone. Many successful individuals face the same challenge, owning high value assets but not having the immediate income or cash flow to support them. And that's exactly what we're here to solve today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can use your luxury assets to secure the liquidity you need. We'll talk about creative solutions, real life case studies, and how these strategies can provide financial flexibility without selling your prized possessions. So let's start. Understanding the challenge. First, let's break down this challenge. Many of you have worked extremely hard to acquire exceptional assets. A 25 million euro yacht, $20 million private jet, a $5 million art collection, a garage full of vintage cars. These assets are value and are often appreciating in value, but they are not liquid. And when cash flow becomes an issue, traditional lenders often look at income over asset value, leaving you without the borrowing options you need. Does this sound familiar? This is where asset-backed lending comes in. Unlike traditional loans that rely on income or credit history, asset-backed lending leverages the value of your physical or investment assets. For example, a yacht with a delivery price of 25 million euros can secure financing of up to 50% loan to value, which could unlock 12.5 million euros of cash. A private jet worth $20 million, you could unlock up to 75%, giving you $15 million. Your art collection, classic cars, investment wine, and Bitcoin, these too can be monetized with tailored financing solutions that respect their unique value. These loans are specifically designed for you, the individual, based on your unique circumstances. And as always, seek professional advice when doing this. So the best part for you as individuals is that these solutions are flexible. You don't need to sell your assets or disrupt your lifestyle. Let me share a few examples of some case studies and individual circumstances where we've helped clients just like you. We had a yacht owner with a 25 million euro yacht. He needed 10 million euros for a business opportunity. We were able to secure a 12.5 million loan at competitive rates with the yacht as collateral. This provided the liquidity the client needed without selling his prized asset. The art collector. We had an art collector with some $12 million in valuable pieces that wanted to invest in a property. We were able to arrange quickly an art-backed loan at 40% loan to value, freeing up to $5 million within weeks. The private jet owner. For a client with a $50 million jet, we unlocked $40 million in financing at a margin of just 1.75%, allowing them to expand their business operations while retaining their aircraft. These are just a few of many situations and circumstances where people have been needing liquidity fast to solve another business opportunity. How does it work? Well, let's talk numbers. Here's how asset-backed lending works in practice. We study your balance sheet. We study your cash flow. So for a yacht loan at 50% loan to value, which is fairly straightforward to arrange, we'll match the loan amount in some cases with other collateral, which can be assets under management or single stocks or Bitcoin. And these assets are not pledged but could be custodied on a bank's platform. Alternatively, if you were to pledge these assets, you could see a significant drop in the margin costs, which could fall from say 2.2% for a margin for yachts and 1.75% margin for jets down to a blended facility of 1%. What do I mean by that? Well, a blended facility is where you take the yacht and a jet and some other assets as collateral, and this will secure a lower margin, which could be, depending on the individual assets of security, as low as 1%. As always, your circumstances are unique. Everything we do is bespoke and creative for you, the individual. We can provide global situations for international clients in many jurisdictions all around the world. As always, please remember to like and subscribe. It helps the channel enormously. Share this content with your friends. And yes, speak to an expert. It really is important, and we're here to help. Thank you for watching.